When your developer run the command MVN space package, your Maven will compile the source code, package the source code. Finally, it create the package in target folder. So here you see it create the jar file. This is the jar file name. Okay, now. So this executable jar, how it is creating using the Maven goals. This is the diagram. So even if you remove run also no problem. The output is jar file. Okay, now. So here one more thing you need to understand what is M2 repository. So local repository purpose is to perform the local build. Local repository purpose is to perform the local build. Sir, is it mandatory to run the source code by DevOps engineer? 100% no. It is taken care by what? Developer. Development team will work on local build. Then why you are learning Maven local build is nothing but some situations when I want to test the code like this. Let's suppose here, this is my Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. Okay. Let's say if I continuously build what happened is left side, the count, you can see here count left side. The count is creating. Some cases, the build will fail like this red color. If you run multiple times, your development team or your lead will ask why you are testing multiple times, why you are not fixing the bug here. So that time it will help you to perform the local build. So it's the same code you are testing in locally. Once code is working fine, then you click here. When you click here, same work, whatever Maven is doing, your Jenkins will do here. See here. This here also it will clone the code from repository itself. You see here, git clone. It is happened from this repository. When you click here, it will go to GitHub only. You see, it is taking source code only. Okay, na? So this we'll see later. But before you are running the Jenkins job in your Jenkins mission, if you want to perform the build locally, then you are using the local build. Okay, na? So this Jenkins class we'll see later. Please try to understand Maven. So instead of running the Jenkins jobs here, we are using the process of local build to run the code or to test the code before you are executing from your Jenkins. Okay, na? So this is about the local repository. Okay, any questions you ask me? Sir, I hope everyone installed Java 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some of the missions, maybe you'll face the issues. I'll give 5 minutes time. Everyone, you open the laptop, create Maven Learn folder, copy src and form.xml from your latest version, and then open the command prompt here, run the command mvn space package. But before you are running this process, you should copy .m2 repository into your C drive. First task number 1, I'll give. Task number 2, I'll give later. First task number 1, everyone open latest version folder, open the laptop, everyone, and then go to latest version, go to latest versions, go to Maven practice, copy the .m2. Everyone, you're doing or not? Copy the M2. Sir, able to hear you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Copy
sir.
that M2. Once you copied, go to C drive. Go to C drive, users, your username, paste here. Once you pasted, let me know.
Yes, sir. We are copied.
Done, sir.
Sir, it copied in public or
No, sir, not public, sir.
admin?
Not public, sir.
Admin,
Your wish.
admin, sir.
Like in your laptop, I hope your name is admin. Then that time go to admin
Ah,
only. In my laptop, I have 91903.
okay, okay, sir.
I will paste here. Based on your
Okay.
naming conversion in your laptop. Sir, let me know once you completed, sir.
Completed.
Okay. Task 1 completed, everyone. Sir, I need your output, sir. Can you just
Completed, sir.
respond, sir?
Task one completed. Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. Number 2. Task number 2. Go to desktop, create Maven Learn folder, then create src and pom.xml, create copy src and pom.xml from your latest version folder. Once you copied, let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay. After you copied, open command prompt, open cmd, enter, run the command mvn space package.
But in black screen, it will show that c dot users admin, sir. Not desktop Maven slash learn is not coming, sir. In my black screen.
That means you are not created Maven Learn folder, sir.
Already created, sir.
Then you should open the cmd in that particular folder, sir.
Okay.
Here, sir. See here how I am
Oh,
doing.
wait,
You understood, sir?
wait, sir.
Ah, you see,
This is not coming, sir.
if you are not understanding, follow my screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cmd. You see how I am doing. When I run the enter, it is coming here.
Okay, sir. It will come. Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here, run the command mvn space package, everyone. mvn space package. Run, everyone.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir. Build, sir.
Output created
Building
or
my
not?
app. Done. Created, sir. One snapshot is created.
Very good.
Build is
I
also
want to see
successful.
the response from everyone.
Yeah, we got it, sir.
Sir,
Good. Good. I seen Ravi Kumar, Vinith, Vinod, Durga
Yes, sir, I
Prasad.
got it.
Okay. Babjan. Very good, Virati. Very good. Ma'am. I hope everyone completed. Okay, sir. Can I go ahead, sir? Next one.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
MV and clean.
very good. Listen here. Listen here. Can you put the heading? Next heading in your notebook. Guys, put the heading. Dot. Sorry. Next heading. M2 repository. Note on the answer. M2 repository. Purpose of M2 repository I'll explain. Note on first point. Under the .m2 repository, under the .m2 repository, under the .m2 repository, we are maintaining Maven, Maven, Maven default library files. Maven default library files. Maven default library files. Full stop. In pom.xml, when we give the 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 dependency, when we give the dependency, when we execute the Maven goal, 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 Maven will connect the internet. Maven will connect the internet. Maven will connect the internet. Maven will connect the internet and it download the dependency and it download the dependency and it download the dependency and it keep 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 inside the inside the inside the .m2 repository and it keep inside the .m2 repository. Full stop. In case if the dependency is not available, in case in case if the dependency is not available, in case if the dependency is not available, then Maven will show you the error. Then Maven will show you the error. Maven will show you the error, dependency missing error, dependency missing error. Dependency missing error. Dependency missing error. Dependency missing error. Okay. Next one. Okay. Let me show you how it will work. Basically, how Maven will work is when the developer, if you see here, Maven learn folder is there, right? Inside Maven learn folder, there will be a pym.xml. When you open that pym.xml, you see here, here some dependency is there. Okay, this is known as the dependency. What purpose the dependency?
Sir, can you tell this point once again, sir?
Which one, sir?
You tell this point once again. Last point.
In notes, sir. In notes.
Yeah,
If
sir.
the
No.
if the dependency is not available,
Once.
then it will show you the error, dependency missing error.
Not that, sir. Another point. Last point.
Which one, sir?
Form, sir, form.
Sir,
When
how
you are
you
clicking on
open
that form.
how you open this, sir? Notepad. The process of that one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am explaining. So
You can close them.
every pom.xml, we have dependency. What is meant by dependency is, let's say my developer want to execute some code. They written the code in Java, but when they want to execute that code, they need some third-party dependency. Let's suppose if that dependency is not available, then it will show you the error. If the dependency is present, then it won't show the error. That means what I'm trying to explain. Let's say what is the input developers are giving, sir? SRC and pom.xml. Very good. So in pom.xml, one dependency they written. What is that dependency?
Unit.
What is that dependency?
JUnit.
JUnit. Okay. That means they written the JUnit dependency I want, sir. If I remove this one, my pom.xml, if I remove, my build got failed, sir. Something like that. It will show you error, dependency missing. Without download of that JUnit, it won't work, sir. Because to run this Java code, which they written by developer, we need JUnit. So that means to run this Java code, this dependency is required. If I remove, it won't work. Like that, developer knows which dependency is required for them to create the package. Every company, when they are writing the code, they should maintain these dependencies. Before they are sending the code to you, they will verify the code from their end. They have the time for development, sir. That particular duration, they will do the testing also. All the testing, they will do dependencies. Everything is working fine. Then only they will share the code to you and you need to perform the activity build. Before they are sharing these details. They should do testing from their side. Here also, what I'm trying to explain, in Maven, we have two repositories. So M2 repository, how it will work, I'll tell you. So here, consider this is my Maven. Okay, this is my local. Okay, na? Here, input are src pom.xml. Okay, how it will work, I'll tell you. So here, when you run the command, this is your this is your this PC slash C drive slash users slash data. Consider this is the location. Okay, na, this is the location. Now this is your input. You are running the input from Maven. What is the folder name you created, sir? Maven Learn.
Maven learn, sir.
Very good. Perfect. Now forget as of now. One goal you are running. What is that goal? MVN space.
Package.
Very good. Now how it will work? I'll tell you. Consider this is known as your internet. This is known as your internet. This is known as MVN space repository. Now here we have number of packages. That means you can consider these are number of packages. Consider. Now let's say when you run the input, you see here, even if I search in Google, Maven repository, you see this dot I mentioned, right? This dot. You consider this one. The first dot is this one. Okay. So in internet, so many things we have. So that's why I just given dot. You see, when I search MVN, it is showing so many. So what I'm trying to explain, which one you need, that particular you need to specify. Okay, here you see, so many we have. So here, internet Maven repository have so many packages. Now I'll show you how it will work. When you run the command mvn package, this is the stage number 1. Stage number 1 is first input will go here. First input it can go here, and then it will go here. It will go here. Then this is the stage number 1. This is the stage number 1. Okay. Now here I can run stage number 1. Check dependency in XML. Check the dependency in XML. Okay, that is the stage number 1. Okay. So now here stage number 3 is if dependency is not available. If the dependency is not available, then connect internet. And download dependency, download dependency, download dependency, and keep okay. Now it will keep. Then this is success case. Failure case is here stage number 3 and then stage number 4. This black one is 4. Here dependency available execute the code. That means if dependency is not available, then only you can connect internet. If the dependency available in M2, you don't need to connect the internet. Okay, can you make a note diagram? Make a note diagram. Okay, make a diagram. Tomorrow I'll explain the next concept. I mean, sorry, M2 repository I'll explain. But before that, can you please do the practice and come tomorrow class? I'll explain this M2 repository in depth tomorrow. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Can you complete the
Okay,
fees,
sir.
sir? I can see many people are paid the fees. Can you please complete today? Okay, sir. Tomorrow we'll continue.